we are, as a Filipino engineer, either we are registered electrical engineer, registered master electrician, or either professional electrical engineer. We or our license only utilize or use here in the Philippines. Huwag mong isipin yung sweldo. Ang isipin mo how to share your technical know-how, your technical expertise.
What is the AI? It's artificial intelligence. So ano meron siya? Isa siyang application na meron natin lagyan ng utak na parang naging tao na. He can analyze, he can predict.
So makikita natin sa IEC standard, there's supposed to be a 13 tests na kinakonduct to conform na pasado yung BAHDAC natin.
May study kami nakita dyan sa US, dalawang store, nagtitinda ng t-shirt na colored, iba-ibang design. Yung isang store kumikita, yung isa hindi. At the end of the study, nakita nila because of CRI, kaya hindi kumikita yung isa dahil pangit yung perception na ng color ng mga customer dun sa item nila. Sometimes, hindi mo kailangan ng too much illuminate wow factor nung ine-emphasize mong artwork.
Maraming pwedeng source of energy, maraming technology, hydro, coal, wind, solar, but at the end of the day, the output is still electricity.
Libre po ito na binibigay natin petitioners, especially in the bona fide members. An opportunity that will guide you in your registration for ASEAN Chartered Professional Engineer and upgrade of your PRC license from RE to PE.
Wire structure po niya is meron po siyang metal clad. So parang ano po siya, no, yung wire with outer conduit na po siya. So every process po nung paggawa natin ng wire is we make sure na nasa standard po yan. So hindi siya automatic na pumasok sa isang wire drawing and then automatically hanggang sa paglabas po yan. Hindi po ganun.
It is important to inspect regularly to identify any abnormalities or faults before they cause damage or failure. So lagi natin tatandaan na pagdating sa BAHDAC, it is all about managing temperature.